Welcome. Today we're diving into a handy feature of Google Drive that allows you to access your presentations offline. Whether you're traveling or in an area with limited internet connectivity, having your presentation available offline can be a lifesaver. Let's walk through the steps to make this happen. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once you're in the app, you'll see all your files neatly organized. Next, find the presentation you want to make available offline. This could be a crucial project for work or a school assignment that needs your attention. Once you've located it, look for the three dots next to the file name. This icon is often referred to as the Options menu. Now click on those three dots. A menu will pop up with several options related to that file. Here's where the magic happens. Find and select Available Offline from this menu. By doing this, you're telling Google Drive that you want this specific presentation accessible even when you're not connected to the internet. After you click on Available Offline, a confirmation will appear indicating that the file is now set for offline access. You might see a small check mark or an icon next to the file name, confirming that it's ready for use without an internet connection. Remember, this feature is particularly useful if you're going to be in places where Wi-Fi is unreliable, or if you simply prefer to work without distractions from online notifications. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've made your presentation available offline in Google Drive. Now you're ready to present anywhere, anytime, without worrying about connectivity issues. Enjoy your seamless presentations.